Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to instantly trigger make.com from Slack in a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, log into your make.com account and head over to the scenario section. Click on Create a new scenario, then tap the plus button to add your first module. In the search bar, type Slack and select it from the list. Now choose the Watch Direct Messages module. This will allow make.com to monitor your Slack messages for specific triggers. Once that's selected, go ahead and connect your Slack account. You'll then need to choose the specific Slack channel where you want make.com to watch for incoming messages. You can configure it to respond to all messages or set a specific keyword or phrase that will act as the trigger. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.